So after you've warmed up, light sweat, whatever, just taking a walk, just don't do it first thing out of bed. The first thing you're going to do, and you can do this throughout the day whenever your arm gets stiff, we're just looking at the pendulums where you let your body dangle and you use your body to get the arm moving around, 15, 20 times each direction, and you can repeat it again each direction 15, 20 times. Try to get the ball to drop out of the socket a little bit. If you want, you can carry a little weight or hold a little weight in your hand to kind of help the distraction. What that's trying to do is get fluid into the joint. From there, you're going to move into a bigger body motion. You're going to find an incline, so you can use a countertop, a sofa back, something like that. A normal push-up, you put your arms about shoulder width apart. This one, you're going to go a little more narrow. You're going to do more of a shoulder blade squeeze with your elbows slightly bent, and then when you lock your elbows, you're going to push further away so your upper back protracts like that. So you see that little hump in my low back, like that, or my upper back, sorry. And you're going to do 2 sets of 15 to 20 of those. Then you're going to move into supersetting or doing pairs of 2 exercises, and we're going to do all of those 2 sets of 15 to 20. The weights that I tell you in the video are proportionate. So I'm going to give you weights of 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's about the relative amount of resistance you should be using for each of the exercises. So the first exercise you're going to do is forward. I grabbed a 2-pound weight. You just can go up and down. Elbows stay straight, just like that. 2 sets of 15 to 20. If something is too heavy and you can't get 12, then it's too heavy. If you can get 20 easily, it's too light, and then you just go up or change the amount of the weights. Again, up twice as fast as down, just like that, and from the side, it would look like that. So you would do 1 set of those, and then you're going to grab another weight. And I stand corrected, that weight was 3 pounds. This will be 2 pounds. And now you're going to do this one to the side, just like that. This is 2 pounds. And the first one was 3. And you'll notice my thumb's rotating up, and I'm going a little higher than the shoulder on this one. If it does hurt, you could stop at shoulder height like that. From the side, you'll notice it's not even with your body. It's a little bit in front of your body, but not much. Just like that, up twice as fast as down, elbows straight. So what you would do is do 1 forward with the 3 pounds, and then 2 pounds to the side, a set of each, and then repeat that sequence, and that's 1 pair. The next pair you would do, I'm going to get these out of the way, is you would take a towel roll. I just put one in the stockinette here to keep your arm away from your body. Grab a lighter weight now, so now we're down to 1 pound. And you lie either on a mat or a bed or a yoga mat on the floor. Get your body perpendicular to the ground or the surface you're on. Touch your chest or stomach like that and go up, keeping your elbow at 90 degrees, up twice as fast as down. And make sure that every rep is as high as the first rep. Some errors you want to look for and not do is you don't want to roll your back. That's cheating, and it makes it a lot easier. And you want to make sure you're not opening the elbow angle like that or closing it like that. You want to be exactly at 90 degrees like that. And you'll feel a burn in the back of your shoulder if you're doing it right. Okay, that's that one you're going to pair with a 4-pound weight, leaning on something so you don't hurt your back, knees slightly bent, your back parallel to the ground, arm hanging down, go up to beyond the plane of the body, pause, and then down nice and slow. Again, up twice as fast as down, making sure you're not cheating and rotating like that, making sure you're not bending the elbow like that. Make sure you can hold it at the top. So if you do that and you can't hold it, if you do this, that's not good. This is correct. And what you would do is go back to the other exercise on your side with this underneath, go back down there, and then another one going back, and that would be your second set, and that's it. You would do some of the stretching that I may have showed you that's specific to you, and then if you need ice, you'd put ice on your shoulder for about 20 minutes, and if you can sit like this with your hand on your hip, that would be the best way to do that. Not all the way back here right on the edge. You can be sitting down like that. You can be relaxing like that. If it gets too sore, you can take it out and shake it and then put it back, but you would leave the ice right underneath your shirt over on your skin if it's a bag of ice. That's it.